Hello everyone, good day. My name is Nurul Emira binti Abdul Jimin from Ibrahim Sultan Polytechnic, Malaysia. It is an honor to present at the second International Symposium on Social Science, Business Education and Technology 2026. So today I will presenting our study titled Integrating ChatGPT and AI Voice Tools in Developing an English-based Micro-Credential course on Adobe InDesign Interactive Panel for TVET educators, Challenge and Instructional Reflections. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming education, especially in instructional design and content development. In technical and vocational education and training, or TVET, this transformation is highly significant. Educators are required to continuously adapt to industry-relevant technologies while maintaining practical and competency-based learning. At the same time, developing structured digital learning materials, especially for software like Adobe InDesign. So it can be time consuming and technically demanding. Micro-credential have emerged as a flexible and targeted approach to develop specific skills aligned with industry needs. So in digital publishing, Adobe InDesign is a key tool, particularly its interactive panel features such as buttons, animations, form, and hyperlink. So Micro-Credential offers targeted skill development aligned with industry needs. Adobe InDesign Interactive Panel enables engaging digital content. So what does AI helps? Teaching these features effectively requires well-structured instructional design. So recent advancement in AI, especially in ChatGPT, have shown strong potential in supporting instructional development. It can be assist in creating syllabus, generating quizzes, and writing scripts. Additionally, AI voice tools provide a more efficient way to produce narration without the need for manual recording. Therefore, this study explores how ChatGPT and AI voice tools can be integrated in developing a micro-credential course. Specifically, these studies focus on the development process, the challenge encountered, and instructional reflections from a TVET educator perspective. And the study also evaluates usability based on feedback from students. This study uses a qualitative case study. Data were collected through reflection and feedback from 45 students. The study is grounded in a combination of the AD instructional design models. So the guide course development from analysis to design to development to implementation and evaluation. ChatGPT used in design and development for syllabus, for the content, and for the assessments. And AI voice tool used in development and implementation narration. Human AI collaboration theory emphasizes that AI systems function most effectively when combined with human expertise rather than operating independently. In this study, ChatGPT acts as a co-creator while the educator ensures contextual accuracy, pedagogical alignment, and technical correctness. Additionally, cognitive load theory is relevant in evaluating how AI-generated structured content and clear narration reduce extraneous cognitive load, The use of organized scripts and consistent voice narration support learners in processing complex technical information more efficiently. By integrating this framework, the study positions AI not merely as a tool, but as a part of the hybrid instructional design ecosystem that enhance both efficiency and learning quality. So the goal is to integrate AI into a hybrid instructional ecosystem for efficiency and quality. The development process has 6 phases. ChatGPT generates syllabus, and then we review and refine the content. Next, quizzes is generated, then video recording, followed by script writing, and finally AI voice narration when we edited the video. Phase 1 Syllabus Development. ChatGPT generates structured syllabus for Adobe InDesign interactive panel. It outlines step-by-step topic, course progression, and interactive features. You can see here how ChatGPT generated the syllabus, and we turn it into our table. Next is content validation. The content then reviewed and refined by researchers for software updates and TVET learners' needs. Collaborative reviews ensures accuracy, relevance, and instructional effectiveness. So here we highlight in yellow the content added following the review. Next is quiz development. ChatGPT generates quizzes at multiple difficulty levels. Researchers refine questions to measure learning objective and cognitive progression. So here we added sample images to accompany the question, and we also edited the answers as AI tends to provide linear, overly simplified step-by-step question. You can see here the answer is A, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4 Roman. So it's kind of linear answer. Next, tutorial video production. Videos recorded manually following ChatGPT generated structured steps. Demonstrated practical use of interactive panel features. Next, we use script writing. We use ChatGPT for script writing. So ChatGPT produces organized voice-over scripts. So this is the first script. Scripts then refined for clarity, instructional flow, and relatable examples. Ensure alignment with recorded tutorial video. So this is how we refined the scripts. Next is AI voice integration. So AI voice, we use male and female generated via Canva for narration, integrated into tutorial videos for synchronized professional delivery. In this video that I record, you can hear some voices and noises from my background. So using AI voices can eliminate those things. It also reduces manual recording time and enhance learner engagement.
After designing the layout, I want to place a video in this white area. To do that, go to File.
So this is the AI voice that I use, male version generated via Canva for narration. This is the interactive panel in Adobe InDesign interface for Micro-Credential. So this is the admin interface. The content. Seven topics to to be learned, and every topic got their own
Hi everyone,
videos.
welcome to this tutorial on embedding.
And also there's final assessment quizzes for the users, and finally we got the feedback form. Okay, data collection, reflective documentation recorded iterative improvements and design decisions throughout course development, and then structures student feedback collected from 45 semester 2 students from session 2 2025-2026, evaluated user experience and system effectiveness, and then direct observations conducted during usability testing to identify interaction patterns and potential issues. Administrative interface track enrollment and user engagement. Next is data analysis. We use thematic analysis to identify and categorize recurring patterns in collective data. We got the reflective documentation, student feedbacks, usability testing and observation, and we use thematic analysis. We have four focus areas. First is efficiency in AI tools. How AI, ChatGPT, and AI voice supported development workflow. Second is instructional quality, effectiveness of content and tutorial presentation, challenge encountered, issues faced during AI integration and course usage, and also user feedback, learner perception and experience of the Micro-Credential course. Next is findings and discussions. First, AI as a cognitive and instructional amplifier. ChatGPT reduced time in generating structured content and increased efficiency. Improved instructional sequencing, supports coherent learning in technical subjects, and also had strong impact in design phase of ADDIE. Second is human AI collaboration. AI acted as a co-creator, not a replacement. Educator refined, validated, and contextualized the content. So it reflects a human in the loop model essential in TVET education. Third is managing accuracy and context. AI limitation. It outdated or inaccurate technical instructions, especially for updated software. Continuous validation by human experts in essentials. AI effectiveness depends on critical human oversight. Fourth is AI voice tool and cognitive load. Clear, consistent narration reduce extraneous cognitive load. AI voice eliminates tone pacing, pronunciation issues, and also background noises. Male and female voices improve engagement and accessibility. Implication for micro-credential in TVET. AI reduce development time to be faster. Scalable micro-credential production supports modular competency-based learning, and it's aligned with rapid technological changes and industry needs. Next, learner experience. Positive feedbacks from 45 students. Clear flow, easy tutorials improve understanding, structures, content, and narration help focus on skill acquisition. Future evaluations should include performance-based assessment. Contribution to knowledge. Empirical evidence of AI integration in TVET instructional design demonstrate structured workflow combining multiple AI tools, highlight importance of human AI collaboration in technical education, and position AI as part of a hybrid instructional ecosystem, not a standalone. Instructional reflections. AI is a support tool, not a replacement. Human expertise essential for validating AI generated content. AI enhance productivity and the quality of instructional materials. Multiple AI tools streamline instructional design workflow. Implication and future research. Future studies. Quantitative impact on learning outcomes and skill acquisition. Longitudinal studies on retention and effectiveness. Explore ethical considerations, privacy, integrity, governance. Expand AI assistant design beyond TVET. TVET integration can integrate AI tools and train educators. Conclusion. ChatGPT and AI voice tools provide efficient micro-credential development. Human oversight ensures accuracy and relevance. AI-assisted instructional design enables scalable, high-quality learning resources. Future research is to measure outcomes and expand across disciplines. This is our references. Contact us. Thank you for your attention. I hope this study provides useful insights. Thank you again.